7 passive income ideas you can start now in 2022 with no or low income. Imagine a way to generate money while you sleep. Millionaires have figured out how to piece together the puzzle. Passive income may help you reach your goals, whether you're trying to save money for a particular occasion or trying to build a business empire. So, in this video, we'll show you 7 passive income options that only require a little investment to get going. Fast track your wealth and get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and great content regularly here at WealthMatic. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more money content by clicking the icon below. Let's get started. Idea number 1. Start your own blog. Starting a blog might be a great way to earn money while you sleep. Beginning a blog requires a significant amount of effort early on. When your information is published online, it begins to pick up pace in the Google search engine. Whether you keep posting stuff or not, you will earn money. Visitors will engage with your site as it increases views or exposure. This may be done by clicking on your affiliate programs and purchasing the things you promote, buying programs you create, or just helping you in generating income through Google AdSense. One of the huge benefits of beginning a blog is the inexpensive upfront cost. All you need is a web address and some cheap web hosting. GoDaddy, for example, offers domains for as low as $100 in the first year and less than $30 for 2 years, giving you more than enough time to start earning passive money from your blog. Idea number 2. Create an advertising agency. Look at the small businesses in your town. It's possible that a lot of them are not actively using social networking sites to acquire new clientele or increase profits. Most people will have a page on Facebook, but in today's congested feed, that will not get the message out. This is where you, as a Facebook marketing business owner, can help. Another best thing about this business strategy is that once a client's ad campaign is arranged and going well, you don't have to do much effort after that. On YouTube, there are multiple basic and advanced level lessons. You may also get Facebook advertising training for as low as $10 on places like Udemy. Main services like Facebook ads are attractive since you are exchanging experience for the money, which takes fewer funds upfront than establishing a real shop or producing a real product. Idea number 3. Use high-yielding bank accounts. The third idea is to use high-interest bank accounts as a source of capital. If you've had cash in the bank for a long time and haven't given it a second thought, chances are you haven't been getting the most out of it. While using financial transactions to generate passive income may not make you wealthy fast, it will definitely help you get started. Shifting your cash to a greater account can help your money work at a quicker rate than it has earlier. The great thing is that most banks don't have a minimum balance requirement. So, even if you don't have a ton of cash, you can start to earn some extra interest on what you do own. Idea number 4. Sell a digital course. One of the most efficient strategies to profit from the information era is to sell digital items such as courses online. The excellent thing is that almost every product can find a market on the internet. From web design to productivity and even scrapbooking, there's something for everyone. You most likely have experience in a variety of fields. At least a few of these may be used to design a course that is rich in content. What's more, the expense of building an interactive course is rather cheap. Most courses are made of either speech and a slideshow or a clip of the course creator, all of which can be made using your phone, so you don't need to spend cash to get started with this passive income approach. Selling your courses may also be cost efficient, since there are many sites where you can host your course for free and gain a share of the revenues when you sell it. Idea number 5. Build an online shop. With the rise of e-commerce has come the potential to build a passive income stream. Drop shipping, for example, seems to be quite trendy. This is how it goes if you're not experienced with it. You build an online shop selling items from specified suppliers. Someone comes to your site and requests a product, which is subsequently sent to the right manufacturer via your platform. The supplier then fulfills the sale by sending it directly to consumers. Then after, you simply earn. Idea number 6. Create a channel on YouTube. Make a channel on YouTube for yourself. YouTube is a place where average people like you and me can earn money. You might, for example, utilize YouTube to fill the time or learn stuff. For many individuals, YouTube is their primary source of income. and a huge chunk of this income is earned passively. You see, whenever someone sees one of your clips, ads may show and you may profit from these advertisements. Alternatively, your viewers can also buy your courses or affiliate products, making you money without any extra effort on your end after the video is released. Now, the reality is that running a YouTube channel is anything but passive, as building an audience takes consistent work and video output. But once a video is released, it acts as a digital asset, accruing your ad revenue and hopefully sales over time. And finally, idea number 7. Self-publish your ebooks. Consider self-publishing your ebook if you like the concept of writing but wouldn't want to bother with the technical difficulties that come with a blog. Ebooks are often far shorter than regular books, putting less burden on you to create a masterpiece. What's more, this form of earning passive income is highly profitable. You're in an excellent position if you have a laptop. To publish your ebook, all you need is a Word document with your text and a book cover. You may now do all of the writing, editing, and graphics on your own. However, if you want to improve your book, tapping into freelance designers and graphic artists might be reasonable. On Fiverr, for instance, you can get a quality cover image for $5, and editing can also be contracted out for a low price, indicating that for roughly $60, you can create a product that will continue to generate you money forever. And that is all for this video. You may start with a small amount of money and earn extra money on the side with these 7 passive income options. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to elevate your life from the one you have to the one you deserve, click the subscribe button right now. This has been WealthMatic, and see you on our next video.